BrainyBuyer.com presents another rapid-fire showdown. We crunch the specs, you make the call. Subscribing is the easiest way to keep this channel independent and data-driven. So I'm looking at these two Weber grills, the Q1000 and the Spirit S-315. Big price difference, huh? The Q1000 is around $229, and the Spirit S-315 is like $850? What gives?
Yeah, massive difference. The Q1000 is super portable, right? It only weighs about 27 pounds. And it's small, like 16.5 inches deep. The S-315 weighs a hefty 125 pounds and is 52 inches deep. It's definitely a stay-at-home grill.
Okay, portability makes sense for the price difference. But what about cooking power?
The Q1000 has a single burner, putting out 8,500 BTU, heating 189 square inches. The S-315 has 3 burners and a total grilling area of 424 square inches, so a lot more space to cook on.
Wow, a huge difference in cooking area. So the Q1000 is more for like a couple of burgers, and the S-315 is for a whole family barbecue?
Exactly. And get this, the Q1000 uses those small, disposable propane cylinders, whereas the S-315 runs on natural gas, so it needs a natural gas line hookup.
Ah, that's a big commitment. And probably explains some of the cost. What about the grates? Are they different?
Both have porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are great for heat retention and easy cleaning. However, the S-315 brags about even heat distribution, something the Q1000 doesn't specifically mention.
Okay, so the S-315 is bigger, more powerful, and designed for home use with natural gas. Anything else that stands out?
The S-315 has side tables, which are super convenient for prepping food, and tool hooks to hang your spatula. Little things, but they add up. Oh, and it also has a warming rack.
Right, the Q1000 is bare bones, but portable and simple. The S-315 is a full-fledged grilling station.
Pretty much. It all boils down to what you need. Quick grilling on the go? Q1000. Serious backyard barbecue? Spirit S-315.
Makes sense. Thanks for breaking it down. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.